السلام علیکم دوستانو ښه راغلاست. نن به موږ د پاست ټنس جملې وایو. کم کارونه چې په ماضي کې شوي دي هغه به موږ ذکر کوو. I took bath. I took bath. ما حمام وکړ. Zara washed dishes. Zara washed dishes. Zara لوښي وینځل. I reached early yesterday. I reached early yesterday. زه پرون د وخته ورسېدم. What did you eat? What did you eat? څه مو وخوړل. How did it work? How did it work? دې څنګه کار وکړ. He left this for you. He left this for you. هغه دا ستا لپاره پرېښود. Did you call me? Did you call me? آیا تاسې زنګ راته وهلی و. He talked to me yesterday. He talked to me yesterday. هغه پرون له ما سره خبرې وکړې. We ate last night. We ate last night. موږ تېره شپه وخوړل. Did he wash clothes? Did he wash clothes? آیا هغه کالي ومینځل. Ahmed went to bazaar. Ahmed went to bazaar. احمد بازار ته لاړ. Why you did this? Why you did this? ولې مو داسې وکړل. Who drank my tea? Who drank my tea? چا زما چای څښلی. Why did he go there? Why did he go there? ولې هغه هلته تللی و. I bought this yesterday. I bought this yesterday. پرون می دا واخیستل. We saw Ali in the park. We saw Ali in the park. موږ په پارک کې علي ولید. Sami and Ali fought yesterday. Sami and Ali fought yesterday. Sami او علي پرون جګړه وکړه. Who called you? Who called you? چا درته غږ کړ. He went with Ali. He went with Ali. هغه علي سره لاړ. I told you once. I told you once. ما یو ځل درته وویل. He saw me. He saw me. هغه زه ولیدم. We didn't go to bazaar yesterday. We didn't go to bazaar yesterday. Didn't یا did not. We didn't go to bazaar yesterday. موږ پرون بازار ته نه وتلي. Where did he go? Where did he go? هغه چیرې لاړ. Where were you yesterday? Where were you yesterday? پرون چیرته وی. I found it. I found it. ما وموند. She slept early. She slept early. هغه د وخته ویده شوی. I drank water. I drank water. ما اوبه څښلې. Who saw you? Who saw you? چا ولیدی. They came yesterday. They came yesterday. دوی پرون راغلل. Who fought with Ali? Who fought with Ali? چا د علي سره جګړه وکړه. Where did you find this? Where did you find this? چیرته دې وموند؟ I played cricket yesterday. I played cricket yesterday. ما پرون کرکټ وکړ. I slept early yesterday. I slept early yesterday. زه د وخته ویده شوی وم پرون. I didn't see him. I didn't see him. ما هغه ونه لید. Who worked with you? Who worked with you? چا در سره کار وکړ. I asked him. I asked him. ما له هغه وپوښتل. He didn't tell me. He didn't tell me. هغه ما ته ونه ویل. I cleaned room last week. I cleaned room last week. ما تیره هفته کوټه پاکه کړې. I didn't use phone. I didn't use phone. ما ټلیفون نه دی کارولی. What did you find there? What did you find there? هلته مو څه پیدا کړل. What did you buy? What did you buy? څه مو واخیستل. Why you slept early? Why you slept early? ته ولې وختي ویده شوی وي. Who told you this? Who told you this? چا درته دا وویل. I washed my car. I washed my car. ما خپل موټر وینځلی. I didn't talk to him. I didn't talk to him. ما له هغه سره خبرې ونه کړې. I cooked something. I cooked something. ما یو څه پاخه کړل. She told me. She told me. هغې ما ته وویل. I went to school yesterday. I went to school yesterday. زه پرون مکتب ته لاړم. Who used my phone? Who used my phone? چا زما ټلیفون کارولی. I said no. I said no. ما وویل نه. What happened to you? What happened to you? پتا څه شوي وو. Did you call me? Did you call me? آیا تا راته زنګ وهلی و. I spent 4 hours here. I spent 4 hours here. ما دلته 4 ساعته تیر کړل. Who waited for you? Who waited for you? چا ستا لپاره انتظار باسلی و.